Hey guys, I really appreciate all the amazing feedback you guys have left me on the previous video installing the peel and stick floor tiles. So it's been a couple of months and I'm actually getting ready to move. I took all the furniture out already and I'm getting ready to remove the tiles. So I wanted to film this process, show you guys how easy or difficult the removal process is, the cleanup process, and give you a final answer of whether I would recommend it. I'm gonna show you guys how it's held up. Overall, pretty good. It's not perfect, and I know I didn't stagger the tiles. It was my first time doing this, but overall I'm pretty happy. But I just want to show you guys everything and show you the process of removing it. So this is the carpet that was originally underneath the peel and stick tile. It was very low, so I was able to do this without that squishy feeling. If it was a thicker carpet, I probably wouldn't recommend it. But this is how everything is held up. You'll see some imperfections there in the back left side. Just because the bed frame was so heavy, it did dent it a little bit. But overall, it held up pretty well. Again, I didn't stagger the tiles, so that was my bad. But yeah, this is how everything looks. Also, keep in mind, guys, that I did use that poster board underneath, so it's not sticking directly to the carpet. Okay. This is coming up pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut each poster board. I'll probably just cut it and then just take it out piece by piece. But this is relatively easy. Carpet intact. Everything looks normal. Yeah. And there's no sticking. There's nothing sticky here. Ah! So now I'm just removing the peel and stick tiles piece by piece. As you can see, they come off really quickly, really easily. And again, just remember I put that poster board underneath so that there's no glue or anything on the actual carpet. So this is the room after I removed all the tiles, and I'll show you guys how it looks up close. Remember I put the poster board underneath the tile, so this sticky part didn't touch the carpet at all. It was this, and I used the rug tape to attach it to the carpet. But yeah, so it's all good, no residue or any of that. I'm gonna vacuum, clean, and get all that together with the carpet now, but yeah, this is it. So I just finished removing the last few tiles and there is no residue or anything left on the carpet. It's completely intact. It took me about 10 minutes to remove. To put the tiles down was about 2.5 hours. And a bedroom, standard bedroom like this is about 140 square feet. So I paid about $150 in materials. So yeah, overall, I would definitely recommend doing this. Like, it completely changed the look of the space. I think next time I'd love to try like maybe marble tiles. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the feedback. I would definitely stagger the tiles next time. And if you do try this, please do send me your pictures on Redkey Realty Group _ on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And thanks for watching.